Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the Adam Rodriguez biography and lifestyle. Full name Adam Michael Rodriguez. Birth date 2 April 1975. Birthplace Yonkers, New York, United States. Height 1.7 meter. Weight 88 kg. Gender male. Sexual orientation straight. Nationality American. Marital status married. Profession actor, director, screenwriter. Net worth $20 million. Nationality American. Children Frankie Ellie Rodriguez. Hair color black. Adam Michael Rodriguez is an American actor, screenwriter and director. He became known for his role as Eric Dalco on CSI Miami. He portrayed Task Force Agent Luke Alves in Criminal Minds. Rodriguez was born in Yonkers, New York, the son of Janet, an airline ticket agent, and Ramon Rodriguez, an executive with the United States Hispanic Chambers of Commerce. His father is of half Puerto Rican and half Cuban descent, and his mother is of Puerto Rican ancestry. He attended Clarkstown High School North in New City, New York. Graduating in 1993, Rodriguez initially hoped to be a professional baseball player. But after a high school injury, he turned his attention to acting and performed in a children's theater in New York. Before full-time acting, he was a stockbroker. Career. Rodriguez has appeared in commercials, including one for Coca-Cola. His first film appearance was as an extra in the X-Files. He later appeared on Brooklyn South, Law and Order, Felicity, Roswell, and NYPD Blue. He appeared in a number of music videos, including Jennifer Lopez's 1999 video If You Had My Love, Busta Rhymes' Respect My Conglomerate, Lionel Richie's I Call It Love, Melanie Fiona's It Kill Me, 50 Cent's Many Men, and Wisin and Yandel's No Dejemos Q Se Apet. He was part of the original cast of CSI Miami, which premiered in 2002. He later directed and wrote the episode Hunting Ground. He left the main cast 5 episodes into season 8 and was credited as a recurring cast member for 8 episodes. He left the main cast 5 episodes into season 8 and was credited as a recurring cast member for 8 episodes. He returned to the main cast in season 9 and remained on the show until it ended with season 10 in 2012. Personal life. Rodriguez splits his time between New York City and Los Angeles, and he has a third residence in Puerto Rico. Rodriguez married model Grace Gale in 2016. They have 3 children, including son Bridgemont Bernard Rodriguez, who was born on 16 March 2020. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.